Welcome to our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.
We're going to talk about best practices because that's a TubeBuddy feature. And for those of you who may not have seen other videos, these blue little boxes all around are all TubeBuddy features where you can do an analyzer. All the benefits that TubeBuddy offers are lit up right around there, so you know if you can get things better equipped once you use the TubeBuddy features. So here it is. Anything that has a check mark next to it is where I did what the best practices are. And you scroll down and you see which ones didn't I use the best practices for. I didn't add chapters, and I didn't get a like on Facebook. And getting a like on Facebook is tricky because when I go to put it on Facebook, sometimes it doesn't give me credit for getting a like on Facebook. So what I'm reading is it's got to be a pertinent Facebook channel. Sometimes I was posting just to get that check mark into a Facebook group that I don't use very often. But this is one of the things I just want you to check on is what did you do in your best practices? So did you add chapters? It gives you a little bit about adding chapters and how to do it. There's a way to do chapters 10 seconds apart, at least 3 chapters, and then it qualifies as a chapter. Add tags to your title. And here's a little description. It's generally important to have at least 1 or 2 of your tags appear in the title.
Thank you for watching our free YouTube creator training library brought to you by the senior tuber community.